account and contact management. Let's have a look at how we capture new contacts and accounts from our website. Like most companies have a Contact Me form on their website. Once that form is submitted, then that form is connected to CRM, and anytime this form is filled, Sugar inspects the lead and the new entry and auto-assigns it based on the territory rules that we've established within the system. Another common occurrence is meeting a new contact through email. See here how Outlook integration recognizes this contact who's introducing themselves is not a contact in CRM yet. Simply click Add Contact and the Insert Contact form opens up. In this case, you can see Sierra is the procurement director. Since I already know her account exists because I work with them all the time, I'll start typing the name of the account. As you notice, Type Ahead locates the account for me and offers to fill in the additional details that the account is already known. Click the check mark, the screen refreshes, and now I can take action and schedule that first call as she requested. I'll copy the text from her email into the body of the meeting so that I remember why I need to give her a ring. And now my call is scheduled. Now I can drill through directly to the CRM record and see the newly created Sierra Moses record tied to Blue Glass Pharma. Another way Sugar eliminates the busy work of creating new accounts is by leveraging our web connector with over 100 data sources. As you notice, our web connector identifies SugarCRM as an existing company and offers to add and create the record for us. As you'll notice here, it's capturing the information and auto-populating the data directly into the database. One thing you might notice here too is that the company location is known, but in the event that a customer has ERP database integration, it does not automatically decide to fill in the billing and shipping address in the event that we are connected to an ERP system. Now I've saved the record, I'm going to create a new contact. Again, as you'll notice by filling in the blanks here, Hint has woken up and offered us additional layers of data that we may want to include in the contact record. This saves us a lot of time and eliminates errors in keystrokes. By clicking the cloud in the upper right corner, we can consume all that information into the record and hit save. This greatly simplifies and eliminates errors